Hello, my dear children. Welcome back to our maths class. I hope that you all are going on well. Did you understand the previous class activities very well? Okay, very good. Let's start our today's class. See the first question. Janu bought a sari 6.5 meters long and cut out 80 centimeters for a blouse. What is the length of the sari now? What is the total length of the sari? Yes, 6.5 meters. So, total length of the sari equals 6.5 meters. Children, you know that half meter equals 50 centimeters. So, total length of the sari equals 6 meters 50 centimeters. From this sari, cut out 80 centimeters for a blouse. So, length of the piece cut out for a blouse equals 80 centimeters. Here we have to find out what is the length of the sari now. That means we have to find out the remaining length of the sari. To find out the remaining length of the sari, subtract each other. That is, the length of the sari now equals 6 meters 50 centimeters minus 80 centimeters. Arrange meter and centimeter as shown here. Then write 6 below the meter and 50 below the centimeter. Then write 80 below the centimeter. There is no meter. Then subtract 0 minus 0, 0. We can't subtract 8 from 5. So borrow 1 from 6. Then 5 becomes 15 and 6 becomes 5. 15 minus 8, 7. 5 minus 0, 5. So, length of the sari now equals 5 meters 70 centimeters. See the next question. An 8 meter long iron rod is cut into pieces of 50 centimeters. How many pieces can be got? Children, do you know what is iron rod? An iron rod is a bar of iron that is mainly used in heavy construction projects. What is the total length of iron rod? Yes, 8 meters. So, total length of iron rod equals 8 meters. This 8 meter iron rod is cut into pieces of 50 centimeters. So, length of one piece of iron rod is 50 centimeters. Then length of two pieces equals 50 centimeters plus 50 centimeters equals 100 centimeters. That is 1 meter. So children, how many pieces got from 1 meter? Yes, we got 2 pieces from 1 meter. So number of pieces got from 1 meter equals 2. Here we have to find out how many pieces can be got from 8 meters. You know that we got 2 pieces from 1 meter. So number of pieces got from 8 meters equals 8 times 2. That is 8 into 2 equals 16. So children, when an 8 meter long iron rod is cut into pieces of 50 centimeters, we got 16 pieces. Let's do the next question. The school sports is going on. One lap around the ground is 200 meters. How many laps should be done for 800 meters? Children, do you know what is lap? Lap means a trip around a racetrack. That is one full circuit in a race. Here, one lap around the ground is 200 meters. So, one lap equals 200 meters. Then, 2 laps equals 2 times 200 meters. That is 2 into 200 meters. 2 into 2, 4. Then put these 2 zeros on its right side. That is 400 meters. That is 2 laps around the ground is 400 meters. If so, how many meters will be 3 laps? Yes, 3 laps equals 3 times 200 meters. 3 into 2, 6. Then put these 2 zeros on its right side. 600 meters. So 3 laps around the ground is 600 meters. Here we have to find out How many laps should be done for 800 meters? You know that one lap is 200 meters. So 4 laps equals 4 times 200 meters. 4 into 2, 8. Then put these two zeros on its right side. That is 800 meters. So 4 laps around the ground is 800 meters. So number of laps done for 800 meters equals 4. Children, did you understand today's class very well? Okay, very good. It's the time to wind up today's class. Thank you.